It's just today, dapat walang...
Document as in for brand? Document for...
Ano, the other piece yung cash document white. Tapos,
Ay, thank you po. Kasi na-skip na ito.
This is this. I was asked by Owen Centers to do a little training about the history of Papa Park and why it was built. And the development of the Papa Park. Chromium.
T-shirts. Okay, but this is from another level. So when I did this, I was fairly new. I was doing Sweden's thing, and she would sometimes stay at our place.
From some kind of raised surface. The concept is as simple as dirty shoe prints on the floor or marks made by pressing a rubber stamp into ink.
We saw that. So when I had my retrospective exhibit at the Cultural Center,
So anyway, there was no part.
Please enjoy some refreshments we have prepared for everyone. Thank you again and see you all in
May mga ano kay turistang kasama. Tinutour namin. Yan, tiga dito lang kami sa Maynila. Hi guys. We're going to Ayala tonight. Today. It's moving. There. You really study the composition and the geometry. It was very amazing. Look guys, I love it about him. Oh, is that a Stonehenge? It's been to Stonehenge. Hope all. Wow, this really resonates. If I could just understand the language.
di ba? Ang gagaling nila. Yung first sketch ko ako, hindi